क्रिकेट में तो भगवान है ना ऑलरेडी हमारे
So
पास।
you okay? Who is your Bhagwan? Yeah, I would
क्रिकेट
like
के
to know.
भगवान वो मेरे
Who is
नहीं है,
your
पर्सनल
cricket
नहीं है,
भगवान?
पर्सनल नहीं है वो।
So it's like when you go to Blackpink concert and Ani will be there wearing this shirt, somewhat like that.
So I've been very involved when it comes to game. So my teams banati thi. I would bet it. Everything would happen. But sadly, the app is banned in Assam.
I just had my lunch and you can see the weather is super gloomy. I really don't feel like working. And please, somebody tell me if something exciting is happening in the city soon.
हो रहा है ना?
What?
We all know what is happening in the city. I mean, the talk of the town. IPL is coming here. I mean,
Coming here?
yeah.
Even cricket matches?
Yes,
going
the
to
matches
happen
will be
here?
held here. 2 matches will be held in Guwahati itself.
Who are playing? कौन खेल रहा है?
राजस्थान होम टीम है इधर की,
हाँ.
उनके साथ मैच है। पहला आपका है पंजाब का, पंजाब किंग्स।
Pause.
Yeah.
ये चेयर किसके लिए रखा है? Like
ये
why is it
हमारे-
empty? Like whom are we expecting
ये
here?
हमारे देश का विकास है जो
Okay.
कायम है।
Hello guys.
What are you doing here?
Hello.
Welcome.
Where were you? Like
I was
this seat
walking.
was just empty and
Yes.
so we are talking about
The talk of the town, IPL.
yeah because I was feeling lazy and I
You know,
wanted to
right?
know.
IPL is happening.
Yes, I know
What
very
do you
well
have
what
to say about
IPL
it?
is, but I don't have, any knowledge.
Ah,
IPL.
so do I.
Yes.
I mean I don't watch cricket much. Okay, and I only like KKR because Shah Rukh Khan owns the team. And just tell me Shah Rukh Khan is coming or not. That's it. That's the only thing I want to know.
I think I've seen Shah Rukh Khan in almost every IPL match that is happening. I mean, obviously KKR's and definitely Shah Rukh Khan is coming here. But I mean, who would want to watch a match just for the actor? I mean, I think we should all look forward
about
to
the cricketers.
cricketers who
Okay.
are coming
Yeah.
here.
So both of them are cricket fans and we are not.
We are not.
But why
Okay.
are you?
Balance
I
out.
mean,
I'll tell you why am I not cricket fan.
you're sure.
Okay? It just goes on and on and on and on. I mean, they keep on playing and playing and playing, and so you'll see people watching in the gallery. It goes on for hours. It gets so boring, don't you think? Like watching people bat and ball. Okay, batting is still fine. I mean, when I was younger, I would always opt for batting than bowling or fielding. So, what do you think
इसलिए
is
तो
great about cricket? क्या लगता है आपको?
आपके लिए ही बनाया गया ये फॉर्मेट जो 20 ओवर का होता है। ये फॉर्मेट जो है इसका फायदा ये है कि ये ग्लोबली इसी को टारगेट किया जा रहा है क्रिकेट को पॉपुलर करने के लिए। आपने जो पॉइंट रेस किया लंबा गेम का
लंबा है बहुत।
लेंथ बहुत होता है, 6 घंटे 8 घंटे का मैच होता है। टेस्ट मैच का तो 5 दिन का चलता है। वी डोंट हैव द पेशेंस, राइट? इसलिए ऐसे हमारे ऐसे लोगों के लिए T20 का फॉर्मेट को आईसीसी भी पुश कर रही है, बीसीसीआई भी पुश कर रही है कि इसके थ्रू क्रिकेट का ऑडियंस जो है वो बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि ये 3 घंटे 3.5 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता है। ठीक है, और इसमें
Okay.
इतना फास्ट पेस चलता है ये गेम। यहाँ डिफेंस तो आपको मिलेगा नहीं, डॉट्स बॉल मिलेगा नहीं, या विकेट या तो वाइड या नो बॉल, 6 और 4 यही चलता है। एंड प्लस देयर आर अदर एक्टिविटीज व्हिच आर गोइंग साइमल्टेनियसली, उसके साथ ही हो रहा है। तो ये एक फंडा है जिसके वजह से क्रिकेट आईपीएल आप सोच सकते हो आईपीएल इतना पॉपुलर क्यों है, T20 इतना पॉपुलर क्यों हो रहा है।
Yeah, it is very popular.
वर्ल्ड कप जो हो रहा है,
Popular, yeah.
वर्ल्ड कप जो हो रहा है T20 का,
That is
इस बार वो यूएस में होने वाला है, विच इज नॉन क्रिकेट, मतलब अभी तक उसने क्रिकेट में कुछ
कुछ
सिग्निफिकेंटली कुछ अचीव नहीं किया है। तो यही है, T20 इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ द क्रिकेट एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स गेटिंग पॉपुलर।
It's happening in the US this time.
Yeah,
US and the
Gau-
West Indies.
Okay, Gaurav. So since you have good knowledge, you have
Yeah.
good knowledge on IPL. So then we have a player from our state as well, right?
रियान पराग,
I heard that,
Riyan
yeah.
Parag.
Riyan Parag
Tell
की बात कर रहे
us
हैं।
something about his progress. About his form, what he is doing right now. कैसा क्या है, क्योंकि तुम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से फॉलो करते हो।
वो अभी क्या कर रहा है एग्जैक्टली वो तो नहीं पता, पर ये पता है कि उसने इस साल कैसा किया है।
Okay, okay. First, give us a brief.
रियान पराग, those who don't know,
Riyan Parag.
सबको पता ही है, फिर भी मैं दोबारा से कहता हूँ, वो हमारे असम के प्लेयर है, गुवाहाटी उनका घर है। असम के वो रणजी टीम के कैप्टन भी है। और अगर आप उनके फॉर्म के बारे में पूछ रहे हो ना, तो ये पूरा जो डोमेस्टिक सीजन रहा है पिछले साल का, हर एक रणजी ट्रॉफी हो गया आपका, फिर और एक साइड मुश्ताक अली ट्रॉफी हो गया, इन सब में उसने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है। और वही चीज़ इस बार उनके आईपीएल के परफॉर्मेंस में भी रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है। वो इस साल पहला अनकैप्ड इंडियन है प्लेयर जिसने अभी तक इंडियन टीम में डेब्यूट नहीं किया है, लेकिन इस आईपीएल में उसने 400 रन्स
Oh,
क्रॉस किए हैं
big
और
feat.
4 50s लगा दिया है इस सीजन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। और अब 1000 रन भी उनके होने ही वाले हैं। आईपीएल की बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है भैया, आईपीएल में उनके 1000 रन होने वाले, कुछ 20-22 रन बाकी है। वो पिछले मैच में हो जाता बट वो आउट हो गए तो नहीं हो पाया।
So you said that there are 3 teams who are playing in Guwahati next week. Next week, right?
Yeah, most
Okay.
probably.
So I
15
would
and
like to
19.
ask Avantika, since you love cricket, who is your favorite team, and is any of those is your team performing here?
When it comes to IPL, I don't think people have a favorite team. Mostly it's favorite cricketers and everything. And IPL, I think, is an amalgamation of not just Indian cricketers, but cricketers from other countries as well. तो वैसे कोई ऐसा favorite team या कुछ तो नहीं है, but yeah, the one team I support is not coming here. But then I think that is not the point. The point is that it is going to be thrilling. And it
Yeah.
is happening in Guwahati.
Guwahati.
So no matter favorite team है या नहीं, favorite cricketers है या नहीं, I think
Whether you
everybody
love
should
cricket
look
or
forward.
not,
Exactly.
we all should go.
I
there.
think people who don't watch IPL, who don't love cricket, are also going to go there
Yeah.
Yeah.
to watch the match. It's going to be a very good
It's
experience.
like a fair, na fun fair.
It's like a festival basically,
Yeah.
cricket festival for lovers of the sport, and I think it's all about the thrill that the sport gives you.
So where is the match happening? I heard it's in Barshapara.
Barsha Para Stadium.
Barsha, which is
Yeah.
called Barsha is rain. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
it's
can you?
raining at present.
Yes, it's
Let's
already
hope it
raining.
does not rain.
Yeah, I mean, I heard Gaurav
So
was
when is
telling
the
me.
match? When is the
The
match?
match is on 15th.
And 19th.
Okay.
The match is
And
on
19th is
15th and the
Sunday.
19th of May. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे कि लीग स्टेज जो है ना आईपीएल का, उसके बाद प्लेऑफ होता है ना, अभी लीग चल रहा है, लीग का आखिरी मैच यहीं पे होगा, उसके बाद प्लेऑफ शुरू होने वाला है।
Okay.
Right.
What's the difference between league and playoff? Sorry, I.
It's like league group stage,
Yes, yes.
quarter
Okay.
final, semi final. That's
Oh,
the
just like
difference.
football.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it then.
You get it?
Yeah.
But
Like
this is cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but you pointed out regarding team not having a people actually like the player more than the team.
Yeah.
So the thing is that one thing that goes on in the football community is that you should never worship the player. It should always be about the team. Doesn't matter if Cristiano Ronaldo is going from Real Madrid to another team. But
क्रिकेट में तो भगवान है ना ऑलरेडी हमारे
so
पास।
you okay? Who is your Bhagwan? Yeah, I would like
क्रिकेट के
to know.
भगवान वो
Who
मेरे
is
नहीं है,
the
पर्सनल
cricket
नहीं है,
भगवान?
पर्सनल नहीं है वो।
Obviously it's Sachin that
सचिन है, वो क्रिकेट के भगवान है। हमारे कंट्री
Okay.
ऐसा है कि हम वर्शिप करते हैं।
So
और
now that
अभी
he's not
He is
playing,
worship.
now that he's not playing,
अभी
is
एक
there
है।
any other Bhagwan?
अभी एक है जो
अभी
विकेट
एक
के
है।
पीछे
कौन,
से
कौन?
Still in the game.
Oh wow, भगवान ने already thundering दिया था.
We all know who it is.
एक है जो अभी भी
MS
विकेट के
Dhoni.
पीछे से गेम बदल देता है।
MS
It is MS Dhoni.
Okay, MS
CSK,
Dhoni.
yes. We follow CSK. Sadly, CSK is not playing here, but
But you will still get to see CSK fans wearing the yellow jersey and coming here in the stadium.
Really?
वो
I
होता
mean,
है।
even if they are not playing,
Yeah.
people
So
are going
Dhoni
to
is
show
not
up
playing
with
this
jersey.
season.
Dhoni
right?
won't come here to play.
Yes,
Sadly,
Okay.
Dhoni won't come.
He's not
But
playing, but then what's
His
happening
fans
is
will-
that fans are going to wear.
The
So it's
jersey.
like
Yes.
when you go to Blackpink concert and Arnie will be there wearing BTS shirt, somewhat like that. But you get it because you love the player. Okay, that's actually amazing. Is this? I heard there's something called batting and all that goes on. Like,
betting.
yeah.
Yeah.
betting.
Dream 11?
Okay,
Dream
yeah.
11, I was
I
like-
want to add a
Okay,
point
okay.
to that. So, I've been very, very involved when it comes to. So my teams banati thi. I would bet if everything would happen, but sadly the app is banned in Assam. It is
Just in
illegal.
Assam?
Yes.
You
No,
cannot
it is
bet.
banned in
In-
Assam actually.
It is banned.
It is banned. Lottery is banned in Assam.
Assam. Yeah.
Any kind of lottery.
Any
Yeah.
kind of lottery or betting apps are banned here. So,
That's sad.
but I still wouldn't call that a
Yeah.
backdrop or anything of that sort because IPL is IPL and you can
Because
always
2 days
watch it.
ago also I saw people were
And yeah.
arrested.
Yeah.
Yes, betting is actually
Illegal.
a very important part of IPL, right? I mean,
Yeah, that's
when
why
it
you
comes
own
to
the
sports and
teams.
everything,
Yes, yes.
So I think it happens.
It's financially very risky ना.
It is risky,
Financially
but then it is also
है ना?
it is also interesting.
Yeah. वो है, अगर आपको ट्रिक पता है तो वो काम आता
हाँ,
है।
trick लोग follow करते हैं and they earn a lot. Okay, that is there.
So what you need to do here is you need to make a team of your own, right?
Right.
And then
You
need
pick
to
a player.
play
It's just
for
like
you.
You
FPL.
pick players.
हाँ,
Yeah.
and player
Fantasy.
from
Fantasy Premier
cricket.
League, yeah.
And you get the points based on how the players are actually playing.
Performing.
Yes,
Performing,
It
right.
seemed like okay.
But now I have a question for you both.
Okay.
You've been asking questions.
All right, shoot.
So, like you said, you're not very interested. You don't follow IPL. If you guys get a chance, if you get the passes on the tickets, would you go and watch? Not for SRK, but for the
I
game.
broke already.
Game.
Okay, so actually my office shift it starts from 2 to 10,
Oh.
and if the match is
No, I think your
for
shift is
2
changing
PM,
next
yes.
week.
Okay, so if you know like the match is held in before 2 p.m. then yes, obviously I'll go if I get
I think it
free
would be
passes.
7 to
हाँ,
8.
आपको थोड़ा
क्योंकि for me work is important.
Yeah.
IPL तो you know I'm not that interested in cricket and all. So
Work is important for
work
the
is
guys.
important for me.
Work is good.
Because I have
Work
to
is
look
work.
after my family. I watching IPL will not feed my family. So yes, I'm so sorry to say.
I understand because I'm in the same shift, and I think we both are going to cover the news, right?
Yeah.
we
You can watch,
we
yeah,
will
yeah, you
cover
can
it.
watch.
Obviously,
Definitely.
we'll cover
Yeah,
it.
Definitely.
turn on the TV and write
Yes.
about it.
Uh.
While,
What about you?
see, I have attended music festivals and all. I've written about musicians whom I don't even listen to. I have never listened to. So why not give cricket a chance?
You
Yeah,
mean?
you can.
Yeah,
You should.
of course. I mean,
You should.
now that I've spoken to you guys, you have actually, I mean, you've made me somewhat interested in the game. I love watching cricket. I used to love watching cricket. Okay, like I remember when I was in class 4, the World Cup was going on. Years ago, I don't know if you guys were even born
2003
then.
World
Yeah,
Cup.
2003 World Cup.
Yeah.
So I watched that because I knew the players. Okay, now the new players that have come in, I know only Virat Kohli, Bumrah. That too because of my niece and nephews. So yeah, no matter where we are going to watch the match, whether we are in the streets, walking back home, or in the office, or in the bus.
That's right. And irrespective of how the weather is, I mean, if the weather is in our favor or not, or whether we are at work or at home, like you said, I think we should definitely watch the match.
Yeah.
Since it's happening in Guwahati, 1. And second, it's available in our hands, I mean, on our phones. We can always watch it there. Plus, Assam ka beta is going
Yeah,
to
that's the most
play
that's
the most important
yeah.
part. So I think each person who gets a chance should definitely go to the stadium and watch the match. What do you think?
Exactly. क्योंकि अगर हम उनको सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता उनका यहाँ आने का, राइट? तो वो ये मैचेस जो है यहाँ जो हो रहे हैं वो हमारे लिए हो रहे हैं. असामीज पीपल जो
Yeah.
सेंटिमेंट है रियान पराग के
Matter
साथ.
of pride.
Yeah.
Matter of pride for
गौरव,
Northeast.
मेरा नाम गौरव है, मुझे उन पे गौरव है ऑलरेडी.
Oh,
wow.
विकास
बात है.
आपको क्या लगता है देश का विकास होगा
Through
Yes.
IPL.
थ्रू IPL?
देश का भी विकास होगा, IPL का भी विकास होगा,
हाँ.
हमारे असम का भी विकास होगा.
वाह क्या बोला वाह क्या
Wow,
क्या बात
क्या बात.
So everybody go to Barsapara Stadium to watch the match if you get a chance, that is, and let's hope this year's match will be at Barsapara Stadium without the Barsha rain.